What is Coats? Founded in 1755 in Scotland, for over 250 years we've been delivering outstanding yarns, sewing and needlecraft products. Along the way we became the world's first truly global company. And today, with 73 factories and 94 other facilities, we serve literally billions of consumers across 6 continents. There are 2 sides to our business, industrial and consumer crafts. Every year, our industrial products go into 10 billion garments, over 300 million pairs of shoes, and can be found in an incredibly diverse range of items, from airbags to tea bags, seatbelts to scrubs. And as a global crafts manufacturer, we supply the world with internationally recognized brands, from hand knitting to lifestyle fabrics, zips to embroidery. Sold through leading retailers, our products inspire passion and creativity in our loyal consumers. Whether industrial or crafts, Coats products touch everyone's lives.
In the time it takes you to watch this film, we have manufactured enough thread to go into 1 million tea bags, consumed in over 150 countries worldwide.
1 in 5 garments on the planet are made using Coats products.
Our thread is in 1 in 3 pairs of quality shoes, and we produce enough yarn to make 65 million scarves a year.
We serve a stable of winning customers and brands worldwide, from Adidas to Timberland to Nike to NASA.
Coats is a world-class business. We are global, we are expert, and we are growing. Our global presence is second to none. We sell into over 100 countries in both consumer and industrial markets.
We have a very strong position in the producing markets of India, China, and in Asia in general, but also in the consuming markets of Western Europe and the US.
From Karstadt in Germany to Walmart in the US, consumers will try our trusted brands. Key markets for us are North America, South America, and Europe. Consumer demand is driven by design, and we're able to react to this because we have key relationships with design houses all over the world.
In Coats, we have a range of products catering to hundreds of different end-user industries. On the one hand, we have traditional, conventional sewn products like garments, footwear, and on the other, we have highly customized products like airbags and seatbelts and hygienically sensitive industries. We are nearly 4 times the size of our nearest competitor.
In 3.5 hours, Coats make enough thread to go to the moon and back.
The airbag that was deployed to land the Mars Pathfinder on the Martian surface in 1997 was sewn together using Coats thread.
We are experts in both the consumer crafts and industrial yarns and threads markets. Our products are regarded as the industry quality standard, and our supply chain benefits from one of the most advanced IT networks in the world.
Our unrivaled color matching ability has been made possible by the proprietary Coats color stitch, which allows the mission-critical information to be transmitted from a desk in New York to a dye house in Guangzhou or Delhi without having to mix a single vat of dye. The best example I use to illustrate the point is an M&S executive who once was visiting Guangzhou, was taking a color reading of his shirt, flew overnight to Sri Lanka to be presented with a perfectly matching cone of thread. I believe this is one of the reasons why global key accounts come to Coats. We simply guarantee the quality of our products.
We are an ethical employer with a firm commitment to minimizing our impact on the environment.
Big key accounts come to Coats and use us because we have high employment standards. We're always looking to produce products that are sustainable, to look at ways that we manufacture and how we can reduce the impact that we have on the environment.
We have strong relationships with the world's greatest brands.
Global consumer brands clearly recognize the benefits of working with Coats. We get engaged with them right at the design stage and make sure that we come up with products that specifically address their requirements. Some people are surprised as to how critical the quality of thread is to delivering the performance of the end products. We have an exclusive relationship with Adidas, who make soccer shoes for stars like Beckham and Kaká.
They are in cricket balls used for test match cricket in Australia.
We work very closely with Nike Tennis, and the shoes that they make using our threads are used by stars like Federer and Nadal.
And in Nike golf shoes used by the likes of Tiger Woods.
The All Blacks team kit is put together using Coats threads.
With our global expertise, we are perfectly poised for growth in both existing and new markets.
We have an outstanding portfolio of existing customers. For instance, we are the global leader in the apparel market, and our Coats global teams have identified huge further potential.
The market for engineered yarns is much larger than that for sewing threads that are consumed by traditional sewn product industries. At Coats, we are in the process of addressing this need by coming up with a range of unique products.
We are constantly looking at our manufacturing chain and constantly researching new technologies, processes, materials, which optimize the end result for our customers.
A huge growth area for us at the moment is our fabric ranges and our key relationships with designers that we work with all over the world, in particular US designer Amy Butler and Kay Fassett, who is an international textile designer. What was often seen as a niche product and a niche market is now becoming much more mainstream.
We are the second largest supplier of zips in the world, and we have massive opportunities for growth in both industrial and consumer crafts markets.
Just to give you a couple of examples where the growth opportunities are immense, fiber optic cables use a range of textile yarns which are precisely finished for that particular end use.
Coats developed Flywire, the thread which went into ultralight athletic shoes which were used at the Beijing Olympics.
Tracer threads are used every day all over the world in passports.
And finished yarns that go into manufacturing timing belts, fan belts, etc. These opportunities by themselves will account for $200 million of potential globally.
Coats is everywhere, a truly global brand.
Many of our customers feel they really own the Coats brands.
We are expert, building on the experience of over 250 years as the industry leader. We are passionate, highly skilled people, delivering consistent quality products to the world's leading brands and direct to consumers.
We have outstanding, highly motivated people and a pipeline of innovation to take Coats forward.
Coats is growing, and there's exciting growth potential in both new and existing markets.
Per capita consumption of all sewn products and the products that use our engineered yarns are on the increase. Coats is ideally positioned to capitalize on this trend.
I'm really proud to work for such a strong, ethical and honest company. We are now going from strength to strength and driving Coats into the future.